Dinosaurs are recognized as terrifying creatures, but there were some even scarier ones in the past. They had teeth as sharp as daggers, huge horns, and were gigantic, surpassing even the T-Rex in size. Some insects were so big that they could rival us in size. Let's travel through time and explore creatures even scarier and more dangerous than dinosaurs. Megalodon, whose name means giant tooth, was one of the most formidable predators in the prehistoric oceans. This giant shark reigned in the seas between approximately 3.6 and 23 million years ago, during the Cenozoic period. With an estimated size of up to 18 meters in length and a weight of over 70 tons, Megalodon was truly a colossal creature, dwarfing even the largest great white shark known today. Its dominant presence in the prehistoric oceans gave it the title of one of the greatest marine predators of all time. Its enormous, powerful jaws could open to an incredible width, and its sharp teeth, some of the largest found in any shark species, could measure up to 18 centimeters long. With these characteristics, Megalodon was capable of exerting formidable force when attacking its prey, including whales, dolphins, and even other sharks. Megalodon's diverse diet and effective hunting ability contributed to its supremacy in the oceans. It is estimated that it was capable of devouring impressive amounts of meat in a single boat, and its presence as a marine apex predator may have played a significant role in regulating the populations of other ocean creatures. Although the extinction of Megalodon is still the subject of debate among scientists, it is believed that climate change, competition with other marine species and a decrease in available prey may have contributed to its disappearance. However, the legacy of Megalodon continues to fascinate and intrigue curious minds today as we explore the mysteries of the ancient seas and the creatures that inhabited them. Woolly mammoths are one of the most iconic creatures of the Ice Age, evoking images of frozen landscapes and an ancient era of Earth. These magnificent mammals belonged to the elephant family and inhabited the vast plains of Eurasia and North America during the Pleistocene, around 400,000 to 4,000 years ago. With their distinctive features, woolly mammoths were true marvels of adaptation to life in extremely cold environments. They had long, dense layers of hair, specially adapted for the glacial climate in which they lived. This hair, together with a layer of fat under the skin, protected them from the intense cold of the Arctic regions, allowing them to survive in extremely low temperatures. Woolly mammoths were enormous, weighing up to 6 tons and standing nearly 4 meters tall. They had impressive curved tusks that could reach up to 4 meters in length, used to dig in the snow in search of food, such as herbaceous plants and shrubs. Despite their imposing appearance, woolly mammoths were peaceful herbivores, feeding mainly on vegetation. The extinction of woolly mammoths is a topic of debate among scientists, but it is widely accepted that factors such as climate change, human hunting and competition with other species may have contributed to their disappearance. However, their legacy lives on today, thanks to the fossils and cave paintings left by our ancestors, which testify to the presence and importance of these majestic animals in the history of the Earth. The fascination with woolly mammoths persists today, fueled by the ongoing search for knowledge about these giants of the past and the desire to better understand the world in which they lived. Their impressive adaptations to the glacial environment and their role in the ecology of ancient times continue to inspire researchers and natural history enthusiasts around the world. Saber-toothed tigers are some of the most iconic predators of prehistoric times, representing the image of terror in ancient landscapes. These prehistoric felines, scientifically known as megarodonts, roamed the Earth during the Pleistocene period, between approximately 10,000 and 2.5 million years ago. They are famous for their elongated and sharp fangs, which resemble sabers, hence the name. With a formidable appearance, saber-toothed tigers were efficient hunters, adapted to hunt large, powerful prey such as mammoths and mastodons. Their exceptionally long and sharp canines could reach up to 2 meters in length, making them deadly weapons used to pierce and subdue their prey. In addition to their impressive canines, saber-toothed tigers also possessed agile, muscular bodies adapted to ambush and hunt their prey with lethal precision. They had a sophisticated predatory lifestyle, hunting in groups or alone, depending on circumstances and available prey. The extinction of saber-toothed tigers is another prehistoric mystery. Although there is no single definitive cause for their disappearance, factors such as climate change, competition with other species, and the arrival of the first humans in North America are considered potential contributors. Dinopiths, also known as terror monkeys, were primates that lived during the Pleistocene, between 500,000 and 2.5 million years ago. Although not as well known as mammoths or saber-toothed tigers, these primates had unique characteristics that made them notable in their time. Dinopiths resembled modern baboons in terms of appearance and behavior. They were robust primates, weighing about 50 kilograms, and lived in hierarchical social groups, where social relationships played a crucial role in the survival of the group. These primates inhabited a variety of environments, from forests to open savannas, adapting to the diverse conditions of the Pleistocene. Their diet was varied, including fruits, leaves, seeds and occasionally small animals, which gave them a significant adaptive advantage over other species. One of the most distinctive characteristics of dinopiths was their ability to defend themselves against predators. They have developed effective defense strategies, such as living in cohesive groups, emitting warning vocalizations, and using rudimentary tools to protect themselves and their territories. The extinction of dinopiths is linked to the same climate changes and environmental pressures that affected other species during the Pleistocene. Competition with other primates, such as humans' ancestors, may also have contributed to their decline and eventual extinction. Elasmotherium, popularly known as the Siberian unicorn, was a fascinating creature that inhabited the Earth during the Pleistocene, between approximately 2.6 million and 100,000 years ago. Despite its name, Elasmotherium had nothing to do with mythical unicorns. It was, in fact, a species of giant rhinoceros with unique characteristics. This prehistoric animal was notable for its impressive size and for possessing a large, single horn on its forehead. Estimates suggest that Elasmotherium could have reached up to 4 meters in length and weighed several tons, making it one of the largest rhinos to ever exist. Its horn was a massive bony structure, unlike the hollow, permanent horns found in modern rhinos. Elasmotherium inhabited the vast steppes of Eurasia, including the regions of Russia, Ukraine, and Kazakhstan. Their diet likely consisted of grasses and other herbaceous plants found in their environment. Its robust anatomy and prominent horn may have been adaptations to face competition for resources and defend itself from predators. Despite its imposing appearance, Elasmotherium was probably a peaceful herbivorous animal, which used its horn more for defense than to attack prey. However, its presence as a dominant species in the Pleistocene steppes certainly had a significant impact on the local ecosystem. The extinction of Elasmotherium is shrouded in mystery, but it is likely to have been the result of environmental changes and evolutionary pressures, such as competition with other herbivores and predators, in addition to the climatic transformations that occurred during the late Pleistocene. The Glyptodon is one of the most peculiar and intriguing creatures of the Ice Age. This prehistoric mammal belonged to the order of Glyptodonts, distant relatives of modern armadillos, and inhabited the lands of South America during the Pleistocene, between 2.5 million and 10,000 years ago. What makes Glyptodon so remarkable is its unique appearance and its incredible adaptation to the environment in which it lived. He was characterized by an enormous bony carapace that covered his body, forming a kind of natural armor. This carapace, composed of dermal bones, was an effective defense against predators such as the large saber-toothed cats and birds of prey that inhabited the region. In addition to its impressive carapace, Glyptodon also had a robust, muscular tail, which was probably used as a defensive weapon against potential threats. Its diet was mainly plants and vegetation, and its robust jaws and adapted teeth indicate that it specialized in crushing fibrous materials. The size of Glyptodon varied, but many specimens were the size of a small car, weighing more than a ton. Its presence in South America during the Pleistocene suggests that it was one of the region's main herbivores, playing an important role in the ecology of the period. Giant cockroaches are a fascinating and frightening insight into prehistoric life. These creatures, which existed during the Carboniferous period, between 359 and 299 million years ago, are ancestors of the insects we know today, but with some striking differences. Compared to their modern counterparts, giant cockroaches were true giants, with lengths of up to 9 centimeters. While this may not seem very big compared to other prehistoric animals like dinosaurs, it's important to remember that modern cockroaches rarely exceed a few inches in length. Therefore, giant cockroaches were significantly larger than their current descendants. One of the reasons giant cockroaches were able to grow so large was the high oxygen content in the atmosphere during the Carboniferous period. With oxygen levels much higher than those found today, insects could grow to impressive sizes, a phenomenon known as island gigantism. Despite their impressive size, giant cockroaches shared many of the characteristics of their modern counterparts. They had hard exoskeletons that provided protection from predators and a variety of adaptations that allowed them to survive in a wide range of environments. Pulmonoscorpius is one of the scariest creatures in prehistoric history, being one of the largest scorpions that ever existed. This giant arthropod lived during the Carboniferous period, around 345 million years ago, and was a true marvel of adaptation to the terrestrial environment. Impressively large, Pulmonoscorpius could reach up to 70 centimeters in length, making it much larger than modern scorpions. Its formidable appearance included a long, segmented tail ending in a poisonous spike that was probably used to hunt prey and defend itself from predators. In addition to the poisonous sting, Pulmonoscorpius also had powerful pincers, which were used to grab and subdue its prey. Its robust anatomy and exoskeletal armor provided protection against predators and environmental adversities, allowing this arthropod to dominate its ecological niche. The lifestyle of Pulmonoscorpius likely involved the active hunting of smaller prey, such as insects and small vertebrates, in the moist, forested environments of the Carboniferous. Its ability to ambush and capture prey quickly and efficiently made it a fearsome predator in its ecosystem. The extinction of Pulmonoscorpius is related to environmental changes that have occurred over geological time. As the climate and environment changed, many species were unable to adapt and survive, leading to their extinction. Although there are no scorpions that large today, Pulmonoscorpius continues to fascinate scientists and paleontology enthusiasts. Its legacy as one of the largest terrestrial arthropods in Earth's history is a reminder of the diversity and complexity of life that has existed on our planet over the millennia. These prehistoric creatures, some even scarier than dinosaurs, offer a fascinating glimpse into Earth's past and the diversity of life that once existed. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next videos. Until the next.